Okay, my dear students, today we'll do the question number 8 of exercise 3.7, and this is a very easy question. If you will try to understand this question, you will get it very soon. I'm just giving you the question. What is the question? The question is ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, so you have to note it down here. It is a cyclic quadrilateral. Find the angles of cyclic quadrilateral. So we have to find out the angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, and the angles in the form of variable are given in the question. What are the angles? Angle A is 4y plus 20, whereas angle B is 3y minus 5, angle C is minus 4x, and angle D is minus 7x plus 5. So he has given you all four angles, and it is a cyclic quadrilateral, and you have to find out the angles of quadrilateral. Why I'm saying that this question is very easy? It's easy because you know that in a cyclic quadrilateral the sum of opposite angle is 180. So you just have to apply this property and you will get two equations, one with B plus D equal to 180 and the other with A plus C equals to 180. And when you will put the values in these two equations, you'll get two equations and then have to solve them, and we will get the values of x and y, and then accordingly we have to find out A, B, C, D. So let us see how we can do that. Now we are applying it for the first one. The cyclic quadrilateral was A, B, C and D. So the opposite angles are A, C and B, D. So if we apply this for A and C, so we'll have A plus C as 180. So after putting the values of A and C which are given in the question, A was given as 4y minus plus 20 and C is given as minus 4x. So A plus C is 180. That's why 4y plus 20 minus 4x equals to 180. 4y here minus 4x here, and this 20 will go on right side, and when we take it in right side it will be 180 minus 20 and we'll get 160. So we'll get from here, because the 4 is common in all three, we can cut the whole equation by 4, and after cutting it we'll get the equation number 1 as x minus y equals to minus 40. So in the same way we'll have to find out the second equation. Now for getting the second equation, we have to put the values in B plus D equals to 180. This is the other pair of opposite angles. So B plus D is 180, but B was given in the question as 3y minus 5 and angle D was minus 7x plus 5. So B plus D is 3y minus 5 minus 7x plus 5 equals to 180. Now when we solve it, 3y will remain same, minus 7x here it is minus 7x, and minus 5 plus 5 will cancel out. So in the end we'll get an equation minus 7x plus 3y equal to 180. Now we'll have two equations, and whenever we have two equations, this is number 2 and the number 1 we have previously found out. So these two equations will have to we can solve by any method, but here we are going to solve it by elimination method. So for applying that, we'll have to multiply equation 1 by 3 and then adding these two equations. So we'll get, so after applying the elimination method and adding the equations, we will get the value of x as minus 15. Now we have the value of minus 15, the value of x, and we can put that in either in equation 1, 2 or 3. So we are putting that x equal to minus 15 in equation number 1. So equation number 1 was x minus y equal to minus 40. So the value of x is minus 15. So the equation number 1 will become minus 15 minus y equal to minus 40. And if you solve the value, if you solve it for the value of y, you'll get here y equal to 25. If y is equals to 25, so now you are having the values of x and y both. X is minus 15, y is 25, and now you can put all the values in angle A, B, C and D respectively and can get the final values of angles. So A was 4y plus 20, so put the value of y here, and A is now 120 degree. In the same way, you can get the value of B, that is 3y minus 5, and the value of y is 25, so it will be 70 degree. And similarly, we can get the value of C as 60 and the value of D as minus, because the value of D is minus 7x plus 5, so minus 7 into minus 15 plus 5 will be 110. So the values of A, B, C, D are 120, 70, 60 and 110 degrees, and these are your answers.